to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
Yo, what is good, family? Welcome to tonight's very quick video. First of all, it feels like ages since I last turned on the camera and spoke to you guys. Actually, maybe it's been about 8 or 9 days, which isn't that long, I know, but I've kind of missed you, man, and I hope you missed me too. I'm on the mend, trying to kind of get back to full fitness. I've just pulled my lower back in the gym last week, which is it wasn't really cool. I was on the leg press machine, which actually has your back supported, so it's kind of embarrassing. I don't know how it happened. Maybe it's old age, I don't know, but yeah, I'm fighting fit. I'm gonna come back stronger, and I've had an amazing kind of couple of days in Turkey as well. Just got some sun and some relaxation time and some time away from RA, which was well needed. But first of all, just want to say thank you to everyone who sent me some really cool well wishes, messages, supporting kind of my recovery. That was really nice, and everyone else who got involved in last weekend's lifestyle apparel launch, which was just insane. Like, I want you to know that like this kind of stuff really means a lot to me. Like when you guys buy the ropes, when you buy the apparel, this is growth, guys. This is progress. This is everything I wanted to do in my life, and you guys are helping me fulfill these dreams, and I cannot tell you how much I owe you, man, how grateful I feel. So thank you for that. And if this kind of setup feels a bit weird, first of all, it's because I've jumped off this noisy chair finally, man. It was pissing me off too much, so I brought in this garden one, and yeah, it's a little bit more quiet. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on too much on this video, peeps. You've seen the title. This is all about my latest world challenge. So all the OG subscribers out there, anyone new watching, you have to get involved. Please, you just have to, like, don't let me down. If you're not sure what these world challenges are about, basically what you need to do is you just need to submit a video, send it to my email, and I will get you featured. I'm gonna put it in my final edit, and that is the world challenge, guys. And what it's all about is bringing this community together, helping people network, helping everyone to really understand how much they've pushed this movement along with me, and help me create this new form of cardio, this new belief around cardio. And you know, from all our challenges, we've had 3 to 4 massive worldwide projects, and every single one of them means something new and different. And the first one was just about, you know, getting this movement out there, just spreading it like wildfire. It was an amazing kind of edit. We had people showcasing their countries, their skills, everything else, and it was just a beautiful video, man. The second one was the 360 challenge, I believe, and this was a really cool one. I was just in the gym one day trying to do crossovers while spinning 360, and I realized, like, you know, I thought it was gonna be easier in my head. It kind of felt like it was gonna be easy, and then when I tried to do this, it was just really tough. And I thought, you know what, this would be a kind of cool challenge to put out there and see how people can kind of modify it, struggle with it, have fun with it. And yeah, that just blew up, which was just mad. And just recently we did a kind of world challenge, which was just people just skipping wherever they wanted. It was just to showcase again, like, how far the reach has been for RA and for jump rope fitness and everything else around the culture of skipping. So I wanted to do another challenge, another one for kind of the end of this year, kind of just to wrap up 2019, which has been again an amazing year for the RA family. And this challenge is all about kind of overcoming your fears, right? And I did a video on this kind of a few months ago, but it's just kind of addressing the fact that people do still find it weird to skip in public, whether or not they're not really kind of confident with their skills or their techniques, or they think they look weird, whatever it is. You know, we all know that people can run in public, they can cycle in public, and it's just normal. And what I've always wanted to do, and what I've always dreamt of, is just people to be able to go outside wherever they are, just pull out their skipping rope and just get a workout in, or do whatever they want with the rope and have fun, man. And I don't want it to be weird. And going forward in the future, this type of project is going to be the one that unlocks this, man. Because what I want you to do for this challenge, guys, is just to go and find somewhere super populated with a lot of people around your city. It can be a kind of famous spot, it doesn't have to be a famous spot, but just somewhere where there's a lot of people. And I want you to pull out your rope and get a routine out there. Just do any kind of skipping, footwork, put in some combinations, and just whatever it is, basic or advanced. So guys, make this challenge epic with me. I'm looking forward to seeing all your videos come through. And just remember, please do keep yourself safe. Do not do anything crazy. Do not attempt to try and copy any other videos you maybe have seen myself do or anyone else do. Just try and keep it safe. Whatever I do is always in a controlled environment. I know what I'm doing, and I don't want anyone to try and replicate or get themselves in any danger. Remember, keep it safe, keep it cool, and make it epic. That's all you need to do, man. Just skip in a public place, right? Don't get anyone angry, upset, don't hurt anyone, don't hurt yourself. It's just as simple as that, right? That's just my last message to you. Trust me, this challenge is gonna be absolutely epic, and everyone who's gonna get involved will get featured, I promise you. Just make sure you get everything submitted to me by December. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put the date right here because I'm gonna work it out when I do the edit. But just get all your videos to me and I'll handle the rest of it as always and make sure it looks absolutely sick. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna catch you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.